All right. Just hooked my man up with the carbon fiber rear diffuser down there. He's putting it on right now. Gave it the old test fit, took the old one off. He's back to back with his man here. All right. And he's buying one and getting a Wickerbill from me to match his homeboy with the Wickerbill. Back to back. Say what's up, guys. Hey, shout out your IG. You got IG?
IG.
What's your Instagram?
Huh?
What's your Instagram?
Slow Society.
All right, what's your
Yeah, slow.
Okay, all right, my man. All right, Slow Society. Slow Society, I guess that's the name of the auto club. All right, so my man got a Hemi. So this is the 5.7 Charger RT. He got a Mopar code intake on here. A cool looking filter, cool looking box that it's in. All right. Then my man's got the V6. He getting there. You know, he's getting there. Making things happen, man. You did. Both of them got the scoops in the hood. So this is the GT with the 3.6. It looks like it's the Scat Pack or the RT. That's a 2019. And of course this one right here, he don't have the scoops in the hood. This is a 2015. But he do got the little holes in the grill. Yeah. So these guys pulling up looking mean on the scene. My Venezuelan homeboys got the cars hooked up. Shout out to the Venezuelan homeboys. Nice, boy. Nice.
Hooking it up.